Yes, okay. Welcome back on my channel. Welcome back on my YouTube podcast. Welcome back on my YouTube page. I'm Dr. Kudzimadziro on this platform. Right. On past videos, on previous videos, I spoke about the massive project happening in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe, this country, this nation. From Bulawayo to Victoria Falls, there's a project, there's a work currently taking place right now as I talk to you. The government of Zimbabwe, in collaboration with the five companies, in collaboration with the five contractors, they are building, they are constructing, or let me say rather, they are engineering a road. Yes, from Bulawayo City Center, Bulawayo Town Center to Victoria Falls Town. Yes, there are a lot of spots, a lot of sections or segments on that road. There's some spots that needs to be built, there's some spots that need to be rebuilt, there's some spots that needs to be constructed right from scratch, and the other spot that needs to be reconstructed. Again, there's some spots that need to be engineered. Something need to be engineered on those other segments or sections, or maybe re-engineering. So it can be constructing, or it can be building, or it can be engineering on this road from Bulawayo to uh, Victoria Falls. So there are things that I want you to know, just random things or general things that I want to know concerning this project, in respect to this project that the government of Zimbabwe is doing right now as I talk to you from Bulawayo Town Center to Victoria Falls. Right. Point number one. This is the brainchild of the Zimbabwean government through the mind and brain of the leader, President Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. This is his project, it's his work. It's the brainchild of the president, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, the one who came up with the vision, the plan to rebuild, reconstruct, and re-engineer this road from Bulawayo City Center, right from the statue of Joshua Ngomo, going all the way to Victoria Falls. Point number two, of course, this project is being monitored and evaluated by the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure Development, Ministry of Transport and Infrastructural Development in Zimbabwe. They are monitoring, they're evaluating the progress and everything in between to do with this project, building this road or construct this road from Bulawayo Town Center to Victoria Falls. Right. Another point, number three, there are five companies, there are five contractors that have been given the work, that have been given the mandate to build, construct this road from Bulawayo to Victoria Falls. Five companies, five contractors that have been given the work by the government, of course, through the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructural Development. They gave them the mandate, the go ahead, soon after sealing the agreements that go on that spot, on that site, and build the road, construct the road from Bulawayo to Victoria Falls. And in my other video, I spoke about the names of these five companies. Right. The first one, Masimba Contracting. Second one, Fossil Contracting. Third one, Tensor Systems. Fourth one, Cyven Investments. And number five, Bitumen Resources or Bitumen Resources. These are the five companies, five contractors that are doing the work to build, construct, engineer this road from Bulawayo to Victoria Falls. Another point to note, these companies are locally owned companies. Locally owned companies. These are local Zimbabwean companies. As for me personally speaking, I'm happy for this. I'm happy because of this, to see Zimbabwean citizens, Zimbabwean people, Zimbabwean companies, Zimbabwean organizations, Zimbabwean institutions playing a major part in our own recovery, in our own development story, in our own growth story. I'm very happy for this. Again, it lines up with the vision of the president of this country, Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa. It confirms, it subscribes to his thinking, to his ideology, to his philosophy, to make sure that Zimbabwean people, Zimbabwean citizens, Zimbabwean children, Zimbabwean citizens are taking a greater part in terms of growth and development of this country. and not to talk about foreign people, foreign companies, foreign monies, or foreign resources being used in our own development story, in our own growth story. So it's against the policies of the current president. It's against the ideology or philosophy of the current president, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa. So I'm happy for that. So those companies, the 5 companies that I've mentioned, that I've listed, Masimba Contracting, Fossil Contracting, Tensor Systems, Cyven Investments, Bitumen Resources, are locally owned companies, locally managed companies, locally administered companies, Zimbabwean companies, Zimbabwean indigenous companies that are doing the work to build, construct, engineer the road from Bulawayo town center straight to Victoria Falls, all the way extending to Victoria Falls. Locally uh, born and bred companies from Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. So it's another great point that I want to know, that I want to understand. The range on that road is 435 kilometers. 435 kilometers from Bulawayo town center, right from the statue of Joshua Ngomo, this great man in the history of Zimbabwe, going all the way to Victoria Falls. The range, total range in kilometers, is 435 kilometers. Yes. So now these companies, 5 companies, 5 contractors, they were given portions, they were given some segments or sections as far as building or construction is concerned. Each company was given its own portion along that road or along that route. Each company, Fossil Contracting, Masimba Contracting, Tensor Systems, Bitumen Resources, and Cyven Investments, each company was given a portion, a segment, or a section where to build, where to construct. Then, in total, in total, then the road will get completed, will get finished. So this is another point that I want you to know, that I want to understand, that each company on that project, on that site, building site, construction site, was given a portion, was given a segment, was given a section where to build. Masimba Contracting, you start from here and you end on this point. Fossil Contracting, you start on this point and you end on this point. Tensor Systems, you start on this section and you're gonna end on that segment. Then it comes to Cyven Investments, you start here and you end here. Then finally, Bitumen Resources, you start here and gonna end on that point, or gonna end on that section or segment. So this is what happened. They were given portions, they were given sections, they were given segments, where to start building and where to end. Individually, as a company, as in a building organization, Bitumen Resources, Masimba Contracting, Fossil Contracting, Cyven Investments, and Tensor Systems. Right. Then another point to know, there are local communities or local villages that are living, that are staying along that road, along that route from Bulawayo to Victoria Falls. And some of the labor, human labor or manpower, either skilled labor or semi-skilled labor or unskilled labor, is, is was taken, or maybe rather is going to be taken from these people from the local villages, local communities that are staying along that road, local human settlements that are domiciled along that road, along that route. So some of the labor that is needed on the construction site, on the building site, is going to be sourced from these people, going to be taken from these people. These people along that road. When it comes to skilled labor, when it comes to semi-skilled labor, when it comes to unskilled labor, whatever kind of labor or type of labor, skilled, semi-skilled, or unskilled, I heard, I read, I understood, I researched, and this is what I got, that the labor will be taken from these people, the manpower will be taken from these people, just to boost local employment, just to help in terms of local employment generation. Yes, just to boost uh, local economic activity, local economic growth, or local economic development. This is what is going to happen, or rather, let me say, this is what happened. But as I talk to you now, they are building. They're constructing, they're engineering that road. So they took labor from these people along that road, from that village or from that settlement or from that community along that road. Yes, I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.